I would say this is day 4 on site. This is the aftermath, and this is what is done so far. As you can see, all the X's are in, all the patterns is in. It's just a matter of getting in some of these joints sealed where it hasn't been so tidy. See, some are fairly close, while others are a little open. That's no problem. Some of the nails that have missed, these have to be countersinked and corked. So today my plan is to seal the stack and do some painting. This part here would be mitered and finished properly. The customer decided not to go with a smooth edge finish. There's a little overhang. Here's some of the materials that we're using. The body filler, Harris paint, this is the basic material, some corking, old silicone gun. This wood can get really nasty, guys. So if you have a finished step, it's best to clean up after yourself each time. This wood stains a lot. One of the first things I will do to prepare the site is clean up. So I will sweep out all these dust, and then I will start corking. What I will do is prepare these two in front of me. So I starting from top and going down. I will take the brush, clean out any little bit of dust, add some sealant, and then the body filler after. Or body filler first, then after. As for the body filler, you need a pad, mixing tool, you pour a little at a time. Since you'll be using this regular, you will put, cause this stuff hardens very fast. So I put just a little dab onto there, and a little right here. So go ahead and mix this one first. I'm going to apply some of this crack here. It's a pretty big crack, so I'm going to put the silicone there. Try to force some of it in this area. Yeah, so this is the finished product. Kind of finished. A lot of work still need to be done in terms of painting the sides. Tiling has been done, but yes, this is the finished product. All right. So this is the back of the handrail. Just one division in between. X is on the side. You did a final paint job, a clean up and a final paint job. But this is it, folks. And you can see all the joints are filled.